According to Oxford text, 100 common words makes up 50% of English. So let's learn them. First word is
time.
time. What time it is right now? Second word is
Person.
person. I am a person.
Year.
Year. Happy New Year.
Where.
Way. Can you tell me the way to the Reliance Mall?
Day.
Day. What day is today?
Thing.
Thing. What is this thing? This is bolster.
Man.
Man. My father is a real man.
World.
Say, world. This world is mine.
Life.
Life. It's such a wonderful life.
Hand.
Hand. Give me your hand.
Part.
Part. She's part of my life.
Child.
Child. She is a child.
Child. I.
I. This is my I.
Woman.
Woman. I'm going to be woman.
Place.
Place. My home is the best place.
Week.
Week. A week is 7 days.
Case.
Case. Code. Close the case.
Point.
Point. What's point on wasting money? Point means dot also.
Government.
Government. Today holidays declared by government.
Company.
Company. I work in a company.
Number.
Number. 21 is my favorite number.
Group.
Group. I don't like that singing group.
Problem.
Problem. Problem. What is your problem? Fact.
Fact.
Fact. I live in Rajasthan. This is the fact. बिना वर्ब के कोई भी सेंटेंस नहीं बनाया जाता है और सिर्फ वर्ब से और कुछ भी नहीं, सिर्फ वर्ब से भी आप सेंटेंस बोल सकते हो. सबसे छोटा सेंटेंस गो. गो मतलब जाना. कम. कम मतलब आना. So let's continue with verbs. Think. I think this video is very useful for you. Look. Look at me. Want. I want to meet my best friend. Give. Give me back. Use. Can I use your pen? Find. I'm so glad that I find you. Tell. Let me tell you something. Ask. Can I ask you something? Work. My mother works every day. Feel. I feel amazing while seeing my subscribers growing. Try. You should keep trying learning English. Leave. Don't leave me. Stay on this channel. Call. Can you call me please? Some adjectives. Have a good day. New. I bought a new pen. First. What is the first thing you do when you wake up? Last. What is the last thing you do in a day? Long. This video is too long. Great. I had a great day today. Little. I arrived little late. Own. My mama owned this house. Old. How old are you? Right. To the right, to the left. Big. This wall is too big. High. Not this one. Tall. Different. Everyone have different taste. Small. My sister's shoe is so small. Large. This t-shirt is little large. Next. So, what's next? Early. I don't wake up early. Young. I'm very young. Important. This video is very important for you. Few. I have few friends. Public. I love public speaking. Bad. He's a bad guy. Him. We aren't same. Able. I'm able to speak English. Are you able to speak English? If not, then you will. Few part of speech. The. And. A. That. I, it, not, he, as, you, this, but, his, they, her, or, an, her, my. Hope you like the video. आपको next video किस topic पे चाहिए? Please do tell in the comment section. Tap the subscribe button. Bye bye. Thank you.